Our detective adventure from Ruins is all about solving cases. Each one poses a question such as, what happened here? Or who is who? In search for answers, you talk to people, peek into the past, investigate the environment, and face various types of puzzles. As you piece the truth together, you begin to reveal the larger conspiracy at play. What started as a series of disappearances from a village soon leads you to uncover a rivalry that began before the world ended, and whose outcome will determine the trajectory of mankind.